Getting your workout on, Ma?
Getting my workout on. You know how that goes. Gym is closed. Gotta stay active.
Gotta stay active.
If you don't stay active, you'll be hurt.
Ooh. Active. My mom is active.
Yeah, haven't done this in a minute. I've been cycling, but that tells you can't do one thing. You gotta do it all.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Lottie. I'm back with another video, and honestly, man, I need to be outside. Like, I'm outside, but I'm not doing outside things, if that makes sense. Like, I think these birds are starting to get used to humans not being outside, because they're getting a little territorial out here. I really miss being outside. I haven't been able to go to the gym, which I miss, but I've been working out in the house and stuff like that. Push-ups, sit-ups, crunches, all of that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Squatting heavy. I've been squatting heavy for some reason. And it's been pretty good. But I definitely miss my family, man. Like my brother, I miss my brother. I haven't seen him. He had his daughter. I didn't get to see my little niece. I didn't get to see her. I'm tight, man. Can I go outside, please? I just want to see my little niece, man. Damn, man. My little princess. I ain't see her and I miss her already. I haven't seen her, but I miss her. How could you miss something you haven't seen or touched? That's crazy. But I do miss her, though. Matter of fact, this is an eye-opener for a lot of you people who claim you don't like to be around people. You can't even stay home so that this virus don't keep spreading. Look at... I don't know what you guys are doing for fun, but I've been trying. I'm trying. This whole summer, I don't even want you to ask me to play Xbox. Please, not even PlayStation. Please, no. I want to go outside. I want to have fun. I want to get fly. I want to chill, driving. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's dead. It's dead out here. It's really dead out here. Like the mall is shut down. They took all the rims off the basketball hoops. Like. Dudes was trying to play ball during the coronavirus. Ball is life. Ball is life. Yo, y'all was really out here trying to play ball? They had to take the rims down. Insane. Freaking insane. Yo, I feel like there's a bird just creeping on me. And he don't know I ain't with it.
Cycle, jump rope.
Right.
Get your workout.
Right. Get your workout.
Get the fresh air in. Woo.
It's real out here.
It's real in the field.
Uh-huh.
You know how we do? We start off little.
Start building up, uh-huh.
Learn some tricks, you know, like back in the days. Gotta catch my breath because the oxygen here is so fresh. I can feel it in my chest.
When I finish these things, I'll be taking the straw and chewing them forever. I gotta stop doing that. I'm gonna throw it away this time. Because it's too addicting. I gotta stop doing that. see what he's doing. My brother. Yeah.
On FaceTime?
Yeah. But yeah, man. What's going on, brother?
I thought my back lifted his bed, bro.
Oh, the bed? The bed is no good for you?
Nah, I tried to lift it yesterday and that shit just threw out my back.
Oh, man.
You need a hot pad.
Yeah, I can't move. I didn't move. It hurts real bad.
Yo, but you don't have a heating pad?
Nah, I put some icy hot on my back and now I just stink now.